Good morning, students. In the last period, we have seen the problems in the exercise 4.3. Today, we are going to discuss the next problem in the exercise 4.3. First problem, find the value of k if the following equations represents a pair of lines. First problem, 3x square plus 10xy plus 3y square plus 16y plus k equal to 0. Now to solve the first problem, given equation is 3x square plus 10xy plus 3y square plus 16y plus k equal to 0, equation number 1. Comparing the given equation with ax square plus twice hxy plus by square plus twice gx plus twice fy plus c equal to 0, equation number 2. We get the values are a equal to 3, twice h equal to 10, therefore h equal to 5, b equal to 3, twice g equal to 0, therefore g equal to 0, twice f equal to 16, f equal to 8, and c equal to k. Now, since the given equation represents a pair of lines, then determinant AHG, HBF, GFC is equal to 0, or ABC plus twice FGH minus AX square minus BG square minus CH square equal to 0. This is the condition for pair of lines represented by the general equation. The given equation represents a pair of lines. Then by using this condition, determinant AHG, HBF, GFC equal to 0, or ABC plus twice FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square equal to 0. या दोन्हीपैकी कुठलीच कंडिशन तुम्ही वापरू शकता. ही कंडिशन त्याच्यापेक्षा सोपी आहे. लक्षात ठेवायची तुम्हाला आयडिया सांगितली. काय कसं लक्षात ठेवायचं? डिटर्मिनंट ऑफ ऑर्डर 3 मध्ये मानलेला आहे, ए हँडसम गर्ल हॅव्हिंग ब्युटिफुल फेस गोज फॉर कॉलेज. आता याच्यामध्ये ज्या किमती आहेत त्या सगळ्या किमती या कंडिशन मध्ये ठेवणार. पुटिंग ऑल द व्हॅल्यूज in this condition we get determinant. The value of A is 3, the value of EH is 5, and G is 0. Here 5, the value of B is 3, the value of F is 8, here 8, here 0, and the value of C is K is equal to 0. Solving this determinant, we get 3 into bracket 3K minus 64 minus 5 into bracket 5K minus 0 plus 0 into bracket 40 minus 0 is equal to 0. 9K minus 192, the product of 3 into minus 64 is minus 192 minus 25K plus 0 is equal to 0. The sum of 9K minus 25K, that is minus 16K, minus 192 equal to 0. Therefore, minus 16K equal to 192 and K equal to minus 192 upon 16, that is K equal to minus 12. This is the solution of the first problem. The value of K is minus 12. Similarly, we can solve the second and third problem. Now to solve second problem, given equation is kxy plus 10x plus 6y plus 4 equal to 0. Equation number 1. Given equation can be written as, that is 0 into x square plus k into xy plus 0 into y square plus 10x plus 6y plus 4 equal to 0. Given equation can be written in the general form. In the given problem, the two terms 0 into x square plus 0 into y square can be added. Comparing the given equation with ax square plus twice hxy plus by square plus twice gx plus twice fy plus c equal to 0. दिलेल्या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये दोन टर्म दिलेला आहे. 0 x स्क्वेअर ची एक टर्म होती, y स्क्वेअर ची टर्म. आपण त्या दोन टर्म कोएफिशिएंट 0 घेऊन आपण ऍडजस्ट करू शकतो. म्हणजे आपल्याला ह्या जनरल इक्वेशन बरोबर हे कंपेअर करायला सोपं होतं. Therefore, here a equal to 0, twice h equal to k, h equal to k half, b equal to 0, twice g equal to 10, therefore g equal to 5. Twice f equal to 6, therefore f equal to 3, and c equal to 4. Now since the given equation represents a pair of lines, then determinant a, h, g HBF GFC equal to 0. Putting these values in this condition, we get determinant. The value of A is 0, H is K by 2, G is 5, K by 2, the value of B is 0, F 3, 3, and the value of C is 4 is equal to 0. Solving the determinant, we get first term is 0 minus K by 2 into bracket. Product of K by 2 into 4 is twice K. K by 2 into 4 twice K minus 5 into 3 15 plus 5 into bracket 3K divided by 2 minus 0 equal to 0. Minus K square to get answer. Minus minus plus 15K upon 2 plus 15K upon 2 equal to 0. Therefore, minus K square plus 15K by 2 plus 15K by 2, 30K upon 2 equal to 0. That is minus K square plus 15K equal to 0. That minus K plus 15K equal to 0, minus K square plus 15K equal to 0. Taking minus K, we get minus K into bracket K minus 15 equal to 0. Therefore, minus K equal to 0 or K minus 15 equal to 0. Therefore, K equal to 0 or K equal to 15. So, don't think that. This is the second problem. The given problem can be written in the form 0 into x square plus k into xy plus 0 into y square plus 10x plus 6y plus 4 equal to 0. Then by comparing the given equation with the general equation, we get the values A, H, G, B, F and C. Since the given equation represents a pair of lines, then by using this condition and solve this determinant, we get the values of K. First value K equal to 0 or K equal to 15. Now to solve the third problem. Third problem. Given equation is x square plus 3xy plus 2y square plus x minus y plus k equal to 0. First equation. Comparing the given equation with ax square plus twice hxy plus by square plus twice gx plus twice fy plus c equal to 0. Second equation, we get here a equal to 1, twice h equal to 3, h equal to 3 half, b equal to 2, twice g equal to 1, therefore g equal to 1 half, twice f equal to minus 1, therefore f equal to minus 1 half, and c equal to k. Now since the given equation represents a pair of lines, then the condition a h g h b f g f c equal to 0 or a b c plus twice f g h minus a x square minus b g square minus c h square equal to 0. या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये आपण आता ही कंडिशन वापरू किंवा कुठलीही कंडिशन वापरली तरी चालेल. Determinant A is 1, H 3 half, G 1 half, H 3 half. The value of B 2. The value of F minus 1 half. Here 1 half minus 1 half, and the value of c is k equal to 0. One into bracket twice k minus get plus 1 by 4 minus 3 half into bracket 3k upon 2 minus plus 1 by 4 plus 1 half into bracket product of 3 half minus 1 half is minus 3 by 4 minus 1, product of 1 half into 2 is 1 is equal to 0. Twice k minus 1 by 4 minus 3 into 3 9k by 4 minus 3 by 8 minus 3 by 8 minus 1 half equal to 0. Multiplying 8 on both sides. दोन्ही बाजूला आपण 8 ने गुणतो. Here 16k minus 2 minus 18k minus 3 minus 4 equal to 0. 16k minus 18k minus twice k. The sum of minus 2 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 6 minus 6 minus 4 minus 10 minus 2 minus 12 equal to 0. Minus twice k equal to 12, and therefore k equal to 12 divided by minus 2, that is equal to minus 6. K equal to minus 6. This is the solution of the third problem. Second problem, find the joint equation of the pair of lines passing through the point 2 minus 1 and parallel to the lines represented by the equation 2x square plus 3xy minus 9y square equal to 0. हे इक्वेशन ज्या दोन लाईन्स रिप्रेझेंट करतं त्या दोन लाईनला पॅरलल असणार आणि या पॉइंट मधून जाणाऱ्या लाईनचं आपल्याला जॉईंट इक्वेशन तयार करायचं. फर्स्ट वी कॅन separate the lines represented by the given equation 2x square plus 3xy minus 9y square equal to 0. याच्या अगोदर दोन लाईन सेपरेट काढायचे, दोन्ही लाईनचे स्लोप काढायचे, तेवढे स्लोप रिक्वायर्ड लाईनचे घ्यायचे and required line passes through the point 2 minus 1. Then by using the slope point form we get 2x square plus 3xy minus 9y square equal to 0. या हे इक्वेशन ज्या दोन लाईन दाखवतं त्या दोन लाईनला पॅरलल असणार आहे आणि 2 minus 1 या पॉइंट मधून जाणाऱ्या दोन लाईनचं कंबाईन इक्वेशन आहे. तर सुरुवातीला या दोन लाईन याचे सेपरेट काढल्या आहेत. दी सेपरेट equations of the given line 2x square plus 3xy minus 9y square equal to 0 are 2x square plus 6xy minus 3xy minus 9y square equal to 0. Factorize the term 3xy into two terms whose sum is 3xy and the product is minus 19x square y square. Then the term 3xy can be factorized as 6xy minus 3xy. Taking twice x common in the first and second term, we get twice x into bracket x plus 3y and minus 3y common in the third and fourth term, we get minus 3y into bracket x plus 3y equal to 0. Again taking the factor x plus 3y common in these two terms, we get x plus 3y in the first bracket and twice x minus 3y in the second bracket. Therefore, x plus 3y equal to 0 first line and twice x minus 3y equal to 0 second line, which are the two separate lines represented by the given equation. Now, slopes of the lines 1 and 2 are minus 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. A upon B. सूत्र कसं असतं? स्लोप ऑफ द लाइन ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is defined by m equal to minus a divided by b. Therefore, slopes of the required parallel lines are minus 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. We know that two lines are parallel, then its slopes are same. दोन लाइन जर पॅरलल असतील त्यांचे स्लोप सारखे असतात हे आपल्याला माहिती plus 2 by. Now plus 3y equal to 0, and the second required a parallel line to the given line 2x plus 3y equal to 0. Slope of the required first line is m equal to minus 1 by 3, and slope of the required second line is m equal to 2 by 3. But the required line passes through the point 2 minus 1. The required lines. By using slope point 1, but the required lines passes through the point 2 minus 1. By using the slope point form, the required equations are: when m equal to minus 1 by 3, then y minus y1 equal to n into bracket x minus x1. That is, y minus the value of x1 y1. y1 is minus 1 and slope is minus 1 by 3, and the point x1 is 2. That is, y plus 1 equal minus 1 by 3 into bracket x minus 2. Taking 3 left side, we get 3 into y plus 1 equal minus 1 into bracket x minus 2. That is, 3y plus 3 is equal to minus x minus minus plus 2. That is, x plus 3y, 3 minus 2, we get plus 1 equal to 0. This is the required first line. It is denoted by 3. Now, to find second required parallel lines, when m equal to 2 by 3, by using slope point form, y minus y1 equal to 2 by 3 into bracket x minus x1. That is, y minus minus 1 equal to 2 by 3 into bracket x minus 2. That is, y plus 1 equal to 2 by 3 into bracket x minus 2. That is, 3 into y plus 1 is equal to 2 into x minus 2. That is, 3y plus 3 equal to twice x minus 4. Twice x minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. This is second required parallel lines. It is denoted by the equation 4th. Hence, the required joint equation, the required joint equation of the lines three and 4 is x plus 3y plus 1 into twice x minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. Solving the brackets, we get 2x square minus 3xy minus 7x plus 6xy minus 9y square minus 21y plus 1 into twice x minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. That is 2x square minus 3xy plus 6xy, we get 3xy minus 9y square minus 7x plus twice x minus 5x minus 21y minus 3y minus 24y minus 7 equal to 0, which is the required lines parallel to the given lines passing through the point 2 minus 1. अशा पद्धतीनं एखादी लाईन दिलेली असेल, कंबाईन इक्वेशन त्या लाईनचं दिलेलं असतं. सुरुवातीला त्याच्या 2 लाईन्स सेपरेट काढायच्या आणि त्या 2 लाईनला जर मला परपेंडिक्युलर लाईनचं जॉईंट इक्वेशन काढा म्हटलं, त्यावेळेस मग निगेटिव्ह रेसिप्रोकल असा स्लोप घ्यायचा. 2 लाईन जर परपेंडिक्युलर असतील तर त्यांचा स्लोपचा गुणाकार -1 असतं, हे आपण आकडेवारीमध्ये पाहिलं. 2 लाईन जर पॅरलल असतील त्यांचे स्लोप सारखे असतात, ते पण पाहिलं. त्याचा वापर करून स्लोप पण फॉर्म आपल्याला माहिती आहे, y मायनस y1 बरोबर m इंटू ब्रॅकेट x मायनस x1. अशा पद्धतीने ते एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह करू. राहिलेले एक्झाम्पल आपण नेक्स्ट पिरियडला बघू.